So this week we're going to look at, let's put a bit of brightness on our R, E, I, O, U. And as we are in Matariki season, and Matariki has officially started, Matariki signals the Māori New Year. It is a time of renewal and celebration. It is a great time to reflect, reset, and look forward, look ahead. Time to reflect on the past, be present in the now, reset and plan. Wonderful. So Matariki, we have a maramataka. We have the stars, of course, and we went through some of them last week so that we could get our tongue around some of those vowel sounds. We didn't do them all, but we have covered quite a few of them. So in this session this morning, I'd like us to look at all the nights of the month. So the new moon, of course, started on the 10th of June, the lunar month, which lasts 29.5 days. Rather than referring to the days of the month, Māori spoke of nights, lunar. Generally, whiro is the first night and mutu whenua is the last. So we're coming to the next slide is about, I think, yes, these are all the moons, starting with whiro. Now, because my computer and everything is not running to optimum capacity this morning, I'm unable to see all your who's actually participating today. But I'd like us to start putting to practice what you've learned in your vowel sounds, in your pronunciation, and this is throwing you right in the deep end. And I think it'll be a good exercise for us to come out, unmute yourself, and somebody have a go at saying these moons. You don't need to say the English bit. All you need to do is say the moons. Just remember that no macrons is very short and sharp. Macrons have got that longer sound. And the one in particular on this page is the fourth one down. Now there's that combination. O ue nuku. O ue nuku. So we're going to test, don't be shy, don't get paralysis. I invite you to unmute yourself. You don't need to wave your hand. And if you feel you would like to say one of those moons, if we just do them one at a time going down to the bottom, there are a lot of them. This is only one page. Please start.
Whiro.
Okay. Whiro. Kia ora.
Tiria.
Tirie. Tiria. Tiria.
Tiria.
Oata.
Oata.
Oanuku.
Okoro.
Ororo.
Tamatia nana.
Tamatia kai ariki.
Una.
Ariroa.
Maure. Mafaru. Ogua.
Otu.
Atawa.
Turu.
Turu.
Pakanui.
Akanui.
Rakau Matariki.
Takiro.
Takiro. Oike.
Oike.
Kore ti fia.
Kore te rawia.
Kore hahanu. Tangaroa matador. Tangaroa Kyoto. Otana.
Orongonui.
Mo.
Umutu.
Woohoo! Well done. Gee, you fellas did really well. Some of those were a little tricky, eh? What was there was one back here. That second to last one. Oike. Oike. Yeah. So I mean, even I have to sort of say it a few times. Oike. Because there's no macron, so here I am trying to emphasize the I, but actually the I, which is the sound E, I'm actually finding myself saying it automatically with a macron, but actually it isn't. It's oike.
Oike.
Oike. Koinonia. I think if we are familiar with the word koinonia, which is part of our theology, that's that oi. Koinonia. Oike.
Okay.
The other one that was tricky, of course, was that o ue nuku. Gee, neat, all right. And that last one, that maude. And on the last page, you saw maudi, which has got an I on the end instead of an E. So there's a distinct difference. And I guess that's one way of emphasizing that if you say maudi, it's a different word to maude. So if you're wanting people to understand what you're saying, if you get your that instead of E, and I know it's tricky. The I and the E in Māori is just does everyone's head in. I know, because the E, the English E is and the English I is E. Just to, make it tricky for you. You want to have another go? Why not?
Tiro.
Hirea.
Wata.
Oenuku.
Nuku. Matia
Tamatea kai ariki.
Una.
Ariroa.
More.
So if any of you are out on those moon nights, could you please drop me in an eel? I'm at the Tuia of the Tea Meadowing, please. Anybody out there on Uenuku, Okoro, or Ariroa, please?
Come over
via
and go
the
eeling.
office.
Come over and go eeling over here.
Ooh, lovely.
Maparu.
Otu.
Atua.
Aturu. Rakonui. Rako.
Ohi.
Takiro. Wiki. Wiki.
Oike. Kore te whiwhia.
Fabulous. Uike. Okay.
Uike.
Okay.
And likewise on Mawharu, if you're out and about Mawharu, please come via the Tuia office in Merime.
Kore kore te rauia.
Kore kore te hahane. Hahane.
Tangarawa Amu.
Angara a roto.
Kio.
Tangaroa kio kio.
Kyo. O tāne.
O rongonui.
Ma.
O Mutu.
Mutu whenua.
Mutu whenua. Yes. Yes. So o tāne, o rongonui, yeah. We'll head over to Gillian's base and we'll go and
Go
collect some
Ealing.
kaimoa for us. Wonderful. That inanga. We need to catch them before they fly away, or before they swim away. So you need to get out there on Otane, go for some eels, and if you're lucky, before the whitebait migrate, you'll get some of them too. Ka pai, koutou katoa. Wonderful.